Absolutely. Here's a comprehensive, long-form advanced script for a full YouTube video review of the 2026 Mazda RX-5, designed for an 8 to 10 minute video. This version expands each section with more detail, emotional storytelling, and deeper insights to connect with both car enthusiasts and general viewers. Some cars are made to get you from point A to B. Others are built to ignite passion, to remind you why driving still matters. Today, we're looking at one of those cars. This is the 2026 Mazda RX-5, a reborn icon that brings back the rotary spirit with a futuristic twist. A machine that fuses Mazda's historic performance DNA with bold innovation, hybrid power, and design that dares to stand out. Is this the comeback we've all been waiting for? Let's dive in. Exterior design. The first thing you notice about the RX-5? Presence. Finished in a deep, wine red metallic paint, this car turns heads before it even starts moving. Every inch of the exterior is shaped by function. Yet it feels like rolling sculpture. At the front, the signature RX grille makes a triumphant return, now reimagined with a larger, lower air intake and backlit Mazda emblem. Flanking it are razor-thin adaptive matrix LED headlights, sleek, predatory, and responsive. Follow the body line, and you'll see what Mazda calls liquid kodo flow, an aerodynamic design language that minimizes drag while enhancing visual drama. The sculpted side skirts, flush-mounted door handles, and an electronically retractable spoiler aren't just eye candy. They're part of an intelligent airflow system designed for maximum stability. And the 20-inch forged alloy wheels? Light, aggressive, and wrapped in performance rubber that grips like a supercar. Performance and engineering. Let's talk about what makes the RX-5 truly special. Its rotary heart. Mazda has re-engineered the rotary engine into a high-efficiency rotary EV hybrid system, acting as both a performance driver and a range extender. The result? A combined output of 420 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, and a smooth, rev-happy thrill only a rotary can deliver. A front electric motor handles quick torque off the line, while the rear rotary-assisted powertrain adds top-end push, creating seamless all-wheel drive performance through a dual-motor torque vectoring system. Underneath, you get the newly developed Kodo active suspension, a fully adaptive system that reads the road 500 times per second and adjusts each corner in real time. Whether you're sprinting through a mountain pass or gliding through traffic, the RX-5 feels tight, balanced, and alive. Interior and comfort. Step inside the RX-5, and you're not just getting into a car. You're entering a driver's sanctuary. The interior blends sport and sophistication. Deep bolstered performance seats come wrapped in hand-stitched Alcantara and Napa leather, contrasted by ambient LED lighting that adapts to your mood. Ahead of you sits a 14-inch floating curved digital cluster, connected to Mazda's new SkySync 3.0 OS, a hyper-responsive infotainment system with AI-assisted personalization. The flat-bottom steering wheel features integrated haptics, voice control, and carbon fiber paddle shifters. And yes, the RX-5 has a next-generation heads-up display, projecting real-time telemetry, navigation, and even safety alerts directly onto the windshield. And audiophiles, listen up. The 14-speaker Bose Quantum Sound system adapts acoustics to your driving mode, turning every road trip into a live concert. HUD in action, camera systems, AR-assisted parking, emergency braking test, OTA update interface. The RX-5 isn't just about performance. It's one of the smartest cars Mazda has ever built. It comes equipped with Mazda Shield Plus, a next-gen safety suite with advanced AI-assisted collision prediction, autonomous lane intervention, and a 360 degrees augmented reality parking view that overlays guidance right on your center screen. There's even an autonomous valet mode. Step out of the car and watch it park itself safely into your garage. And with SkySync 3.0, your RX-5 gets over-the-air updates just like a smartphone. Whether it's improving range, adding features, or tuning performance, your car evolves with time. What makes the 2026 RX-5 so unique is how it blends the soul of a classic Mazda with the tech of tomorrow. It revives the rotary, but this time, It's sustainable, efficient, and electrified. It delivers over 400 horsepower, but also 38 mpg in silent EV cruising. It's aggressive, yet elegant. It's raw, yet refined. It's a true driver's car, built for the enthusiast who wants more than just horsepower. Someone who craves emotion, legacy, and cutting-edge innovation, all in one stunning package. The 2026 Mazda RX-5 isn't just a return, it's a revolution. A machine that dares to blend past, present, and future into a driving experience like no other. If you're looking for a car that inspires passion, delivers power, and showcases what's next in automotive innovation, the RX-5 should be at the top of your list. This is the rebirth of Rotary, only from Mazda. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more futuristic car reviews like this one. We've got more legends and innovations coming your way. Would you like a matching voiceover script format, B-roll storyboard, or a thumbnail idea to complement this advanced video script?